I like big box. I cannot lie. That's a big box. Let me tell you. Yep, that's a big box. So let's see what's in it. Slice me open, cut me up. Oh, joy. Let's see what we got today. It's always fun when you come home and see a 5-foot box standing next to your garage door. Yes, yes. Let's see what we got inside. Okay. Let's see, we're going to crack it open there. Alright, so. Okay. Lots and lots of padding. I always wanted padding. Look at that. Now I can rest my head tonight. Look at all that padding. Ooh. Oh. A sailboat. Look at that. From Aquacraft. Miscellaneous paper. Whoop, more padding. There was a scratch and dent. Over $100 off. It was missing some pieces, if I can remember correctly. So I won't take it out of the box now because I don't have time. And this one is Power V by Tower Hobby. This is another scratch and dent. So it's from my buddy Ian. He wanted a boat, and I found this one again that was less than half price because of scratch and dent, and I got it. So anyway, we'll come back later on and we'll do an opening and see what we got. See ya.